I'm just making.
बोला था ना?
I'm just making vlogs for myself.
No. No allow entry here. Video seat. Come here.
Okay, let's go.
Not sport.
No.
I'm
I'm just shooting for myself, ले. नहीं sir, कहाँ लिखा है पहले? Don't touch
वो
this.
तो अब
Don't touch
हिंदी
it.
बोल रहा है, कहाँ लिखा है? बकवास कर रहा ऊपर से और खबरदार, तुम्हें बताया था, तुम जानते हो ना सब कुछ? ये नहीं पता था कि कहाँ पता था, सब कुछ पता होते हुए तुमने गलती करा है। गेट पे बताया।
Good evening guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today I'm in a place called New Delhi, which is the capital city of India. I'm in a place called Connaught Place, which is a massive metropolitan busy area. And today we are going to dive into Indian food, Indian cuisine, and some shopping experiences that we will see here. So you will see colonial buildings here. This circle, Connaught Place, was built during the English era. I hope that this lane has a lot of shops which sells Indian food. Shall we try some Indian food?
Yes, definitely.
Right, yeah, let's go. I know there is a shop, you know, like which is called Kake Da Hotel. Maybe we can find nearby this place. Kake Da Hotel. Oh yeah, I saw there. Kake Da Hotel. Okay. Hello, namaste. How are you? Can I enter? Is it free? Okay. All right. Let's dive into here. Look for some Indian food. Which is here, a mixture of buttery things. Okay, namaste. Hello.
Oh, namaste.
So, what food do you have?
Yeah.
These are all buttery, right? What is this?
These are vegetable non-veg. No long beef.
Sorry? No?
No long.
Video is not allowed. I'm just shooting for myself. No, not allowed. I'm just shooting for myself. Okay, strange. Alright then, maybe we should head to some other place. Right, yeah. Okay, thank you.
Let's try somewhere else.
Yeah, I don't know why they didn't allow to shoot.
Being a typical Indian, they do not.
Yeah, maybe.
They are hesitating. I don't know why they are licensed shopkeepers and they are selling authentic, delicious, authentic and good quality food. I don't know why they are hesitating to.
Yeah. As if like we're some kind of intruders, you know. Okay, we have nearby. We have some kind of Indian food, but this is just pure vegetarian. Look here. Do you want to try? Chaap.
Anything we can.
Tikka.
We can try shakes.
Shakes.
Yes.
Where do we get that? This is just a vegetarian, right? You have thali?
Yeah.
Thali. Is this North Indian food?
Yeah.
Okay. But this is just pure vegetarian, right? Do you have tikka?
Yeah.
All right. How much is one tikka?
We have for like chaap tikka and paneer tikka.
Chaap and paneer. Oh, what's the difference? Chaap, paneer.
One is of soya bean and one is of like paneer.
Oh, one is soya bean. Paneer is like a solidified milk, right?
Paneer, yeah.
Which one would you prefer?
We often eat paneer kind of thing. So let's try chaap.
Let's try chaap?
Yes.
Okay. All right, let's try chaap. We're gonna try chaap.
You can have seat upstairs.
Okay, all right, thank you, my brother. Okay, this shop is good enough for us to shoot vlog here. So this is the surrounding. It's quite small, but looks fancy, right?
It looks fancy.
I mean,
Very well organized.
see, we two are the only one here. Yay! Okay, all right. Let's look into the menu here.
You can see the varieties also, Max.
Okay, it's ready? All right. Okay. This is Malai Chaap. Wow, look at that. Okay, thank you, my brother. This is veg, right? It looks like, like some kind of a meaty substance. Doesn't even look like a veg. But anyhow, let's try it. And some onions, we can see some capsicum, some tomatoes. We have a green chutney, which is quite a very famous, you know, kind of a sauce from India. Wow. It's very creamy. It's sweet. And you get the flavor of, you know, Indian spices coming within this kind of a flesh.
Yep, right, your face says it all.
Okay. How about if we mix this, you know, this meaty substance into this green chutney? I think it will taste better, right?
You can experiment whatever you want.
Yeah, let me try this one.
Nice.
It neutralizes, you know, the creamy effect. You are not stressed.
Yeah,
Okay.
completely not stressed.
Let me have this onion. With
Yes, we are ignoring onions.
Yeah. Onions are always present, you know, in whatever food you eat in India. So how can you miss it? And with the pudina chutney, let me try. Delicious. Okay, we have finished devouring our food, and now we're gonna go out of the shop. It's quite a narrow place here. Okay, it was good. It was good, brother. No customer in your place.
In night we have crowd.
Oh, you have crowd at night. Oh, okay.
We open till 2.
Okay, I thought I was the only one, you know, having here, and it felt so silent. All right. Anyhow, the chow was really good. Okay, how much do I have to pay?
We have 273.
273.
Yeah.
Okay. Palika Bazaar. I want to go to Palika.
Straight ahead.
From here, straight. Okay. Oh, okay. How far is it walking distance?
700 800 meters.
Oh, okay. All right. See you, brother. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. These guys were quite friendly and cooperative. So now I have to head towards a place called Palika Bazaar. How are we gonna cross from here?
We have to wait for the...
There's no pedestrian path. I think we just have to, you know, cross from here. Yeah, let's go. Okay, let's try not to bump into something. The side, they're waiting, and we are lucky. In between, we got some time to cross the road. So we are into the side where you can see some branded stores, but we are not into the branded thing right now. We are searching for something more affordable, more variety of things. Okay, let me ask someone from here where the Palika Bazaar is. Namaste, uncle. Where is Palika Bazaar?
पालिका बाजार वो सामने
Here, सामने है.
सामने
Oh, okay. शुक्रिया.
कहाँ से
हम अरुणाचल से हैं. अरुणाचल.
वो सामने जो आइसक्रीम वाला है
Oh, ये सामने ना? Oh, okay. Oh, thank you.
आप
Thank you.
YouTuber हैं?
Yeah, YouTube. Okay, thank you. All right, so I think it's not very far from here. The guy said it's just near. So maybe after crossing this lane, I think we're gonna reach. Okay, I hope we don't have to face that kind of unwelcoming gesture. Not to make videos again, right? Okay, all right. Okay, what are these? These are some bags. How much is it? How much? Just asking. I don't want to buy it, just asking. How much is it? 500. 500. Oh, okay. ठीक है. नहीं. Yeah, thank you. Oh, it's okay, brother. Oh, wow. He went down to 100. He started asking at 500. Wow. Is this some kind of a joke? Or like they're just, you know, making the price so high? All right. You'll see some kind of, you know, stores outside, and here we are, the Palika Bazaar. So I'm here now inside the Palika Bazaar, which is inside the basement between the inner circle and outer circle of Connaught Place. So you'll get to see a lot of shops here. I'm searching for some kind of shops, some kind of shorts. Belt? Oh no, brother. Thank you. I don't need belt. I'm looking for shorts, to wear, because I'm wearing long here. Just hate these people, just making their own rules. Okay, let me ask. Shorts. Where do we find shorts? Alright, let's see from there. Hello, namaste, bhai. You have shorts? Kitne ka hai ye? How much? Yeah, shorts. How much is this?
Size?
Size is 30. 30 is my waist size. 30. Actually, I'm looking for some kind of, this type. Do you have this type? Yeah, this one. This is fine, right? This is much better, right? Okay. Oh, fixed rate. It's 250. Is it 250? Is it 250? Oh, okay. How much is it? Kitne ka hai?
जितने का आप ले लो
Kitne ka?
जितने का आप ले लो
Jitne ka? What do you mean by jitne ka?
I guess
This one looks good, right? This one looks good on me. Because I'm already wearing this
Yes.
Adidas. Alright, how much will you make? Kitna lagaoge?
दे दीजिए आप
Just pay 100.
150? There so?
No, max 100. 100 is
100?
नहीं हमारे पास नहीं हो पाएगा बार्गेन नहीं है
I'll give you 200, do one thing.
नहीं हो पाएगा बार्गेन नहीं है हमारे पास
Bargain niya?
हमारे पास सेट का
Alright then, let's go to another shop. Alright. We have so many other options. Bargaining is something that you have to do here. Okay, alright. Now he's calling me. See, that's, what you have to do here. Yeah. How much? Okay, yeah, you guys talk. You guys talk, no problem. Alright, have your time. They are doing some kind of negotiation, I don't know. Yeah. Alright, let me just look for some more things. Maybe I'll find one more shot. Shorts, do you have shorts? Shorts here? No, shorts. Sports shorts. I'm looking for sports shorts.
What size?
Yeah, my size 30. Maybe this guy will show me a better option, I guess.
This one?
No, ऐसा नहीं, ऐसा वाला.
Just वाला?
हाँ, ये sport वाला चाहिए.
Sports वाला नहीं.
नहीं है.
Not available.
So what did he say?
Sorry?
What did he say?
हाँ भाई, आपको बोला था कि अंदर कैमरा लेके आना और बनाया और इस तरह की वीडियो बनाना.
I'm just making vlogs for myself.
No allow entry here video sheet.
Where
No,
is it written?
short.
Where is it written?
What?
Where is it written?
No allow here.
Show me something which is written.
So come here.
Okay, let's
Not
go.
to sport.
No,
Reclaim.
you need to show me something.
1 minute please wait.
Okay.
I call police.
I'm not.
सब कुछ मिलेगा जब आप तुम चिंता मत करो खड़ा रहो.
See, I'm
मना
not.
करने के बावजूद ये बंद कर
I'm
भाई
just-
इसको पहले बंद कर.
I'm just shooting for myself, Lee.
No
अपने लिए
head,
बना रहा हूँ.
no head your own property here. No your property here. My shooting is closed.
नहीं सर, कहाँ लिखा है
Please close.
पहले?
हैं?
Don't touch
वो
this.
तो अब
Don't touch
हिंदी
it.
बोल रहा है. कहाँ लिखा है?
कहाँ लिखा है?
कहाँ लिखा है? सब कुछ देंगे और तुम्हारे पे ब्लेम भी होगा इस चीज का. तुमने कहने के बाद भी बना.
मैं एक व्लॉगर हूँ, अपने लिए बनाता हूँ.
एक मिनट
अपने लिए बनाता हूँ.
होल्ड करो.
Is it ये कोई गलत काम है अपने लिए व्लॉग करने के लिए? पालिका बाजार का वीडियो दिखाऊं आपको YouTube में? दिखाऊं? Can I show
जो
you?
पकड़ा जाता है ना उसी को पर ब्लेम किया जाता है. समझ गए तुम दुकान में?
Okay, fine, no problem then.
अच्छा ये अनयूजुअल है क्या वीडियो?
गोदरी को लिखो.
Okay, then.
क्या लिखा हुआ बकवास कर रहा ऊपर से और खबरदार तुम्हें बताया था तुम जानते हो ना सब कुछ
ये नहीं पता था कि
कहाँ पता था सब कुछ पता होते हुए तुमने गलती करा है गेट पे बताया अरे यूट्यूब पर देखते हैं कोई गलती से बना के लेके चले गए मोबाइल से पूरा कैमरा शो कर रखे हैं आप और कहने के बावजूद भी सारा डिलीट हो गई है पहले
Okay,
delete-
sorry. Okay, guys. I don't know what happened. I was just there, to show you guys around the market. But that old man was really creating a scene. I didn't mean to create any problem. Just wanted to, shoot myself and then just, walk out easily. Eventually, I apologized to him, even though I didn't feel that I made any mistake. And I asked him, where is, that written notice? I didn't see anything on the walls. Right. We didn't see anything written on the walls, no
When
videography.
he was not able to show any kind of those kind of things.
Yeah. So,
He was just trying to create a mess. Whenever they did those kind of people see a foreigner or a guys like different from this, different from Delhi, they always try to create a mess with them.
yeah. Okay. So, it's a night scene now. Let us cross the road first. Okay. I hope I'm not bumped into. Alright. Okay. Today we faced a lot of, ignorance, tantrums. It made me feel like, thinking about doing another vlog. Let me know, guys, whether whatever I did was, wrong in any manner today. Okay, that was it for today. We could dive into some Indian food and explore the places of Connaught Place. Oh wow, people are driving bike inside.